Welcome back. Miss House is still in her house. Okay, today is Wednesday. I know some people are observing Earth Day today. So if you have an activity that you can do to help save the Earth, think about turning the water off while you brush your teeth or the lights off if you leave the room and nobody else is in there. Okay, gathering your plastic bags to maybe bring back to the grocery store to recycle them if you don't need them instead of throwing them away is another one that I really have to focus on doing. Next one, start the water unit. That's what we're doing this week. Today, Wednesday, we're doing another Edpuzzle. Okay, right below here is a direct link to it. So I couldn't put this in here for some reason. So anyway, I have a different link too if that one doesn't work. Okay, so for Wednesday, when I heard oxygen and magnesium were dating, I was like, OMG! For oxygen and magnesium. Okay, what we're going to do here today is the properties of water Edpuzzle. So here's the link, the same link as the other one. Okay, so when you log into the Edpuzzle, it may say, here you are, or verify your email address. So you just have to click on your Google Classroom email address, and then hopefully it will come into this. Notice up here, I'm not logged in. So if you want to log in, it says, I'm a student. This is how you're going to get credit for it so that I will know. If you watch it without anything, then you won't get credit. So here's how you do it, just like we did the first time. Not up here, but down here it says sign in with Google. Click on sign in with Google, and then you can choose your address. I'm going to choose this one because that's my student one. Okay, and then poof, now it shows it and it will record. And guess who is? Guess who you'll see in the start of your video. Okay, I finally figured it out. So this one's by me. Okay, so that's your adventure for today. So if you haven't logged into Edpuzzle, I put the direction sheet here that we used for the first Edpuzzle that most of you logged in with. So if you aren't familiar or don't remember how, I put everything right here. Okay, okie dokie. Have a nice day.